Hi, Tim Cooper again here on YouTube. Today we're going to talk a little bit about, I'm an internet marketer from home, and so I do a lot of YouTube videos and do a lot of blogging about setting up an own home business. But I'm going to talk about a subject today that refers to that, that's very, very important, and that is how you handle your taxes if you're self-employed. And so let me for a few minutes give you some strong advice, some encouraging advice, because I've been doing this for a couple years. And number one, set up your own LLC, or my first advice is get a good CPA. Try not to do the taxes yourself. Now you may say, well gosh, I can save $200 or $300 by doing that, but when you have a certified public accountant helping you, working with you, then that saves you a lot of headache, a lot of issues. You may not know all the benefits and write-offs that you might be able to take advantage of unless you've got an accounting background yourself and stay current with it. So first thing I would do is get a good CPA. Now my CPA encouraged me to get an LLC, which I already had. An LLC, a limited partnership, allows you to keep your business and personal expenses separate. And if you do go bankrupt, it protects your personal belongings. And so an LLC is very important. Most companies require or ask that you get an LLC, and they're so easy to get. You can Google it, you can get them online within 15 minutes, and it just costs maybe $80 to $100 to get an LLC in your state. And so that's so easy to do. But when you're working on your taxes, for being self-employed and working from home, here's some things that I just jotted down that I thought would be good advice that I found my experiences found out to be very true and very helpful. Number one, get your CPA, have a visit with him or her, them. Number one, keep good records. Keep your records monthly. If you did your January through December records and you didn't keep them organized, and then in December or January you try to sit down and work on them, it's going to give you a lot of heartache. So what I always do at the end of the month, I print out all my expenses from my credit card, I have my travel, I have the things that I need to, and I keep a monthly record. And so by the time I get to January for the next year, I've got January, February, March, April, May, June, all the way to December, and then I just add that up. I do a chart for my CPA. And then he doesn't have to. My CPA is a male. He doesn't have to spend as much time, which saves me money and him money also. But some things to look at: your phone cost. If you have a phone, I have a cell phone exclusively for work. The mileage for meetings and things that I go to. Any type of business expense, meals, computer software that you have to buy. For your internet service, the services that you partner with the company, all those are legitimate expenses to your business. Make sure you keep up with all the businesses that you would have for underwriting your personal at-home business. Again, keep them up monthly. Be honest. If you drove 100 miles, don't put 200 miles. And so being honest, having a good CPA to guide you through that, keeping good records and keeping them up monthly are some things that I would encourage you to do while working on taxes if you're working from home. I'm going to finish this YouTube like I always do. Number one, be a good neighbor and go out and help somebody today. And hopefully something I share today will help you in your business and your tax returns. Thanks. Bye.